Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.2-liter engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. You do get a power tailgate with this vehicle, and side bed steps, a tonneau cover with a bed camera as well. We do get some splash guards on this vehicle with blind spot detection, and you do get a light down there as well. And moving to the front real quick, we do get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front park sensing, and that nice Chevy grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice dark gray leather interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpeted interior, you got cup holders and storage, heated back seats, USB, USB-C, 12-volt rear vents, and you do get some nice storage in the seats as well as on that side. And you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Got your powered mirrors, windows, memory seating for up to 2 drivers, drive modes, and trailer mode, 4-wheel drive, lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 44,242 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with your voice, phone, toggle-free screen, heated steering wheel as well, cruise controls, modes, and volumes behind the steering wheel. And looking at our screen here, we do get your digital speedometer, so information about the vehicle, trip 1, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, all that jazz. You got your music, your navigation, phone, and other settings. To remember, we got cup holders and storage. You got a nice little storage cubby here with tons of storage underneath. Even got a light down there. SD card, USB, USB-C, and an aux. You do get your engine starts up, park sensing, auto stop auto start, tailgate, hazards, traction, outlets. Press that button, all your windows go down. 12-volt, more outlets right here, trailer brake, and an even bigger outlet. Upper and lower storage on the dash, with your climate controls up front with heated front seats and cooled front seats, dual climate. And above me we get our OnStar services, SOS, and a nice powered rear window opener. Looking at our screen here, we do get our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. We got a users, trailering, Spotify, climate controls, your backup camera, and you can change the different camera angles. Gonna click our bed camera, pretty handy as well. Gonna go back real quick. Amazon Alexa, SiriusXM, Chevrolet Maps, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC53151E, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.